The Strategic Customer Engagement team identifies and collaborates on customer projects and delivers new solutions using SAP's next-generation technology. A branch of government needed visibility into procurement spend and compliance and risk across more than 80 agencies. They wanted to change the way that audits were managed, with a goal of moving away from the manual process of sampling data to a system that analyzes everything and highlights transactions that should be audited, such as splitting purchase or P-card orders into multiple transactions to bypass limits on this type of spend. The business faced several issues that cost them time and money when analyzing their procurement practices. First, there was no holistic state of government spend view. Second, there was a lack of connectivity between data silos for vendor invoices, P-card, grants, and contracts. Finally, there was no efficient way to identify split P-card transactions due to the manual processes involved. We came up with a solution that offers spend insights and predicts areas of risk across agencies. We broke down data silos and united all transactions to proactively identify audit candidates by growing beyond business rules.
We used machine learning to predict potential split transactions and built a statistical model to come up with a final risk score. As you can see, we calculated risk scores for each of the agencies by quarter. All the red cards show an increase in risk compared to previous quarter, while blue cards show a decrease. By selecting one of the agencies, we are presented with a detailed view highlighting the top 5 areas of spend. To predict groups of transactions that are likely to be split, we trained a model based on attributes like vendor name, location, and merchant category. Using the toggle switch, the user can provide feedback that is used to retrain the model. In total, we evaluated 15 million transactions over a 4-year period. This approach can also be extended to other spend categories in the future.
The business outcomes from the proof of concept were identification of $18.5 billion in risky spend. We used SAP Data Hub to operationalize the machine learning model and orchestrate the underlying data sources. Through the application of next-generation technology from SAP, we were able to transform spend and audit processes in the public sector successfully.